Pearl of the Orient, City of Prosperity. Shanghai, the shining pearl in eastern China, attracts the attention of the world with its unique urban feel and unparalleled charm. As China's economic, financial, trade and shipping center, Shanghai is not only the pride of China, but also a shining star on the world stage. In 2007, Bath Instrument and Industrial Equipment Shanghai Company Limited embarked on its journey in Shanghai, headquartered in Pudong New Area, Shanghai, with a team of 137 employees, including 73 senior technicians and 7 engineers. We are pioneers in the manufacturing of vacuum freeze-drying equipment in China. Since our inception, we focused on the development and production of vacuum freeze-drying equipment and related products. Our offerings include the LFD series lab scale freeze dryer, RFD and HFD series household freeze dryer, PFD series pilot scale freeze dryer, BTFD, BSFD series production scale freeze dryer, and BBFD series biological stoppering freeze dryer. These are widely used in food production, biopharmaceutical, production of nutrition and health products, biological research and other fields. With 3 production bases in Jiangsu, Zhejiang and Henan Province, covering a total area of about 30,000 square meters. We ensure every set of equipment carries out pursuit of quality and innovation. Every process is full of ingenuity and professionalism, and every detail reflects our dedication to excellence. Here, we strive to provide you with the highest quality products, taking you on a journey of manufacturing excellence. Over the past 17 years, our technicians have collected and accumulated a large amount of user feedback at the production site, which has enabled us to have a strong OEM/ODM production capacity. At the same time, we can also provide turnkey solutions for freeze-dried product production lines. With a reliable product performance and stellar market reputation, the company has certified by ISO 9001, CE, ESTA, and other qualification certifications. Our products have been exported to over 100 countries and regions, including the United States, the United Kingdom, France, Germany, the Netherlands, Portugal, Spain, Indonesia, Malaysia, the Philippines, and the United Arab Emirates. The company has a pilot-scale in-situ freeze-drying laboratory, which can provide customers with freeze-drying effect verification of various materials. Adhering to the customer-first approach, we provide prompt and comprehensive pre-sales and after-sales services. We sincerely invite you to visit us and discuss the cooperation possibilities. Professionalism breeds quality, and strength forges the future. Bath Instrument and Industrial Equipment Shanghai Company Limited remains committed to our mission of serving every client, ensuring every client enjoy high-quality products and considerate services. We continuously pursue sustainable growth.